Hi, this is your Byram Stanhope chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Relief Chiropractic, going over a stretch today for tight hip flexors, which are caused typically from sitting too much. A lot of times a tight hip flexor is going to cause hip pain and or low back pain, but this is also going to be very helpful for anyone who is extension biased with low back pain that goes down the back of the leg. The way that you do this stretch, let's say your right leg is the affected side. You put that leg in front of you like this. Sorry. If your right leg is the affected side, you're going to put your left leg in front of you like this. The next thing you're going to do, I'll go on like kind of a side view so you can see what I'm doing, an oblique view here. You're going to push your butt forward on the back cheek here to kind of get that pull. This might be enough where you start feeling a pull in the hip flexor. That's fine. If that's all you can do, then you just hang out here for about 30 seconds or more. If you can go further, you take the same arm, the right arm, right leg, is going to go up like this and reach back, back, back. You can take your left hand and push like this on that back hip, that back butt there, and you'll feel an even deeper stretch with this pull. Going back as far as you can comfortably to feel that pull all through here. You'll get a lot of relief if you have an extension biased lumbar radiculopathy issue. It's going to take the pressure off the nerve and help a lot with any pain going into the leg. It's also great if you just have a tight hip flexor. I was feeling a good stretch there myself, and if you want to do the other side, you can make sure you can do that too. If it's just one side, just focus on the one side. If you have a short amount of time, you're not able to do both. That's no big deal. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have a question, let me know by dropping a line below and I will get back to you. Otherwise, thank you again for watching it. Have a good day. This is your Byram Stanhope chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Relief Chiropractic.